How to set up TopTech RTK base for DJI drone. Launch fixed pad and connect the controller to RTK base station on the device page. Go to base settings and activate base station working mode. Enable Wi-Fi mode and open the configuration panel. Input base coordinates and antenna parameters. Set data link to Wi-Fi. Then apply changes. Now move on to drone configuration. Link the drone with its remote controller. Then connect to the base station Y. Open DJI Pilot R. Complete pre-flight inspection. Tap Flight Settings at the top right. Then enter Precise Positioning Settings. Select Custom Network RTK for RTK service type. Tap Edit. Then fill in name, trip, address, port, account, password, and mount point. Save the configurations. When aircraft RTK status shows connected, the connection is done successfully.